Hey everyone, welcome to Bistégs TV. Today we're cooking up something special, a crispy fried fish in a rich, creamy coconut sauce. It's a tropical twist that's savory, comforting, and absolutely irresistible. Ready to bring your fried fish to the next level? Let's get cooking. All right, let's heat some oil in the pan and get our cleaned fish ready. Place each piece carefully into the hot oil and let it fry until golden and crispy on one side. This will give us that perfect crunch. Now, let's flip each piece over to fry the other side until it's also crispy and golden. Repeat the same process with the other pieces of fish. Once they're perfectly cooked, we'll set them aside on a plate for later. Now let's heat a bit more oil in the pan. Once it's hot, add in our minced garlic and give it a quick stir. This releases that delicious aroma. Next, toss in the sliced ginger pieces and stir again. The garlic and ginger are key to building a rich, flavorful base for our coconut sauce, bringing depth and warmth to the dish. Time to add the onions. Stir them in with the garlic and ginger, letting them soften and release their sweetness. This adds a subtle, savory layer that makes the sauce even more delicious. Next up, let's add our sliced eggplant. Stir it around so it absorbs those incredible flavors from the garlic, ginger, and onions. Now for the star ingredient, pure coconut milk. Pour in 1 cup and stir it all together. The coconut milk will bring that creamy, tropical richness, blending beautifully with the sautéed aromatics. This combination creates a sauce that's smooth, flavorful, and perfectly coats every ingredient. Now, let's add a cup of water to help blend and thicken our sauce. Give it a good stir and bring it to a gentle boil. We'll let it simmer for about 3 minutes, which will bring all those flavors together and make the sauce even richer. Now it's time to bring back our crispy fried fish. Gently place each piece into the pan with our simmering coconut sauce. Let the fish soak up that rich, creamy flavor. It's going to be delicious. This step makes the fish extra tender while keeping that wonderful crispiness on the outside. Let's add some vibrant flavors now. Start with sliced green chili and bell pepper for a pop of color and a little heat. This will elevate the dish with a fresh, zesty kick. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Next, sprinkle in half a teaspoon of umami seasoning to deepen the flavor profile, giving it that extra savoriness that's hard to resist. Stir everything gently, making sure the spices and peppers blend into the creamy sauce. This final touch adds a subtle warmth and completes the flavor balance in our coconut sauce. Let it all cook together for a few more minutes so the fish can fully absorb these amazing flavors. Finally, add a sprinkle of cracked black pepper. Let everything cook together for a few more minutes. Now, let's add some fresh pichay leaves for a vibrant touch and a boost of nutrition. Gently stir them into the sauce, allowing them to wilt and infuse their fresh flavor into the dish. We'll let everything cook together for about 2 to 3 minutes. This will ensure the pichay retains its beautiful color while adding a nice crunch to our creamy coconut mixture. The combination of textures and flavors is truly irresistible. And that's it. Our creamy, dreamy, coconut-infused fried fish is ready to serve. Doesn't that look amazing? A tropical twist on fried fish that's both comforting and packed with flavor. Thank you so much for cooking with us today on Bistégs TV. Be sure to hit that like button, drop a comment below, share this recipe with family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Cheers.